Hey guys, what's up? Here to show you a trick while working on 67. When you go to tighten down the springs, of course I don't have it in there, but you look right on top of here, there's no hole right here to put a socket or ratchet down through the spring once it finally goes through here to tighten on this nut. So what we're going to do, we're going to drill a hole in there, because the nut, like 90s trucks, they have a hole there. That way you can do that. So to do that, we're going to be taking a hole saw that fits a socket, drill a little bigger, so that we can go down, tighten this. Makes it a whole lot easier. So now we just got to choose the right one here. And it looks like that's plenty big enough. Just working on these old trucks and don't want to use a wrench in there. 1 3/4 inch. Size you're going to need. So just toss it on one of these quick doodads. Of course, let's put a drill bit in it first. How about that? And we can put it on there. Nice. Perfect. I'm going to file it down. Perfect.